now we have arrived at the end of the lecture and we are going to take a mapping practice. Afghanistan has been in the news a lot and that is why we have taken Afghanistan for the day. सबसे पहले तो bordering countries Afghanistan. The first one is Iran. Westernmost country that borders Afghanistan is Iran. Okay. Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. Okay. Kazakhstan does not border Afghanistan. ठीक है. Uzbekistan के बाद Tajikistan. Okay. Tajikistan. And then there's a very small portion. This part, this also touches China. Okay. And then this also touches India. Although this part has been occupied by Pakistan, but still it is part of India. So it touches India at Durand line. ठीक है. And of course Pakistan. With Pakistan, Afghanistan has the largest border. Okay. तो I hope you understood कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज बॉर्डर करती हैं. ईरान, तुर्कमेनिस्तान, कजाकिस्तान और उज्बेकिस्तान, ताजिकिस्तान, चाइना and Pakistan and India. So these are the bordering countries. We can write also here India, Pakistan, China, Iran, Turkmenistan and Tajikistan. So this is very important. The westernmost country that borders Afghanistan is Iran and the easternmost country that borders Afghanistan is China. Okay. So I hope you understood this. Again, we are talking about the major ethnic groups of Afghanistan. Ethnic groups, ठीक है? तो सबसे मेजॉरिटी में पश्तून ट्राइबल्स, ओके. फिर सेकंड नंबर पे ताजिक्स एंड थर्ड नंबर पे हाजरास एंड देन उज्बेक्स, तुर्कमेन, बलोच एंड देयर वेरी माइनॉरिटी. Like again, that is the representation in the parliament. If you talk about the major ethnic groups of Afghanistan, ठीक है? तो again, if you look at this map, ठीक है? तो along the border of Pakistan, ठीक है? The major tribe that resides is Pashtun tribe. Okay, Pashtun tribe. In the northern areas, also called, now Pashtun tribes are those tribes that majorly constitute Taliban as well. Taliban are nothing but Pashtun tribes. Okay. Now in the northern areas, ठीक है, also called Northern Alliance. Northern Alliance. In the political circles, of course. Now southern part become Taliban, northern part became Northern Alliance. अब northern areas में basically Tajiks, ठीक है? Tajiks are also a tribe because of the like ताजिकिस्तान के साथ proximity है, इसलिए ताजिक्स. ओके, बीच वाली जो रीजन इनहेबिटेड है वो है हाजरास. हाजरास आर माइनॉरिटी. हाजरास, ठीक है? Hazras are minority, ethnic minority groups and they have been severely persecuted in Afghanistan by the Taliban. Okay. So I hope you understood. Keep Pashtun in the southern part along with the border of Pakistan. Tajikistan के साथ जो border है उसके around Tajiks 27% and Hazras then 9% in the middle part. Okay. तो we understood कि इनका एथनिक कंपोजिशन अफगानिस्तान का क्या है. ओके. नाउ काबुल इज द कैपिटल ऑफ अफगानिस्तान. द मेजर सिटीज आर मजार शरीफ, जलालाबाद, Zaranj. Zaranj is a very important city for us. We'll be dealing with it. Now what is like this Garland Road? Garland Road connects the major city province capitals of Afghanistan from Herat to Kandahar to Kabul and then Mazar-e-Sharif. This is a Garland Road. Now what India did was India developed Chabahar Port and as a part of INSTC, International North-South Transport Corridor, India wanted to extend it into Afghanistan as well. And also from Chabahar Port, India developed Chabahar Zaranj and Zaranj Delram road. ठीक है, and this Zaranj Delram road connects the Zaranj to the Garland road, and this, if you have access to this Garland road, you can go throughout the Afghanistan from Herat to Mazar-e-Sharif. Okay, so India has made this Zaranj to Delram portion and also significantly contributed in the railways development of railways in Iran from Chabahar port to Zaranj. That is why it is important. That is, this Garland road forms a very important part of Afghan trade, because most of the trade is done through road, because there is no railway line in Afghanistan. And of course, India used Chabahar port as a strategic location by bypassing Pakistan for trade with Afghanistan. ठीक है? Now, ancient Silk Road. This is Wakhan corridor. We saw in the map कि it touches China in a very small area. ठीक है? This China, this is Afghanistan, this is Tajikistan. Okay. So what we see is कि ये Afghanistan और ये Pakistan. This is a very narrow corridor, and this leads to China. This is actually the path of ancient Silk Road. ठीक है? As you can see, this very small portion, this is Afghanistan normally, this is Pakistan, this is Tajikistan, and this is very small portion touching China. Okay, so this was the route of what? Silk Route in ancient times. So this is Wakhan corridor. Wakhan corridor is very important. Okay. Now we are dealing with the Panjshir province. Panjshir province क्यों अभी deal कर रहे हैं? क्यों? क्योंकि all this red part has been taken over by Taliban. Only this green part, this is Panjshir province, and this has not been yet taken over by Taliban as we talk of now. On the 25th of August, it has not yet been taken, and it is under the control of Northern Alliance. Northern Alliance, as we know, are basically Tajiks जो Tajik tribal group है, they constitute the Northern Alliance, and the Southern Pashtuns, they constitute the whole Taliban, and now Taliban has taken over the whole Afghanistan except for Panjshir, and Panjshir में अभी भी Amarullah Saleh, the ex-vice president or the vice president, now he has become president, he has taken over, like he is still operating from there, and also the son of Mullah Masood Ahmad, he also called the Lion of Panjshir because he fought both Taliban and the communists of Russia. ठीक है? So this is Panjshir province, and I think that is understood. Now, what is the mineral wealth of Afghanistan? ठीक है? So Afghanistan is very mineral rich, and the most important mineral that is found here is lithium. As we know, lithium is the next oil, because all the countries are running after renewable, and lithium ion batteries are going to be the next oil. And even in one of the report also, there was like prediction that Afghanistan might constitute so much of lithium that it can become the Saudi Arabia of oil in lithium. ठीक है? So, and rare earth materials also. One another important material is lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli. India का, it is a blue stone, ठीक है? And it is a precious stone found in Afghanistan. And Afghanistan trade in lapis lazuli dates back to Roman era. ठीक है? It is still one of the like most traded entity from Afghanistan. Indian investment and interests. Like India has invested around $3 billion in Afghanistan. Road from Zaranj to Delram, as we know, as we talked about, road from Zaranj to Delram. अफगानिस्तान का जो पार्लियामेंट है वो इंडिया ने बनाया था. Salma Dam, that is also called Friendship Dam, that is also important. Now India has recently agreed to making Shahtut Dam also, but I don't see it fructifying any soon. Okay, that is India is having a significant amount of like development and aid based investment in Afghanistan, and Afghanistan has been a very strategic ally to India, and what turns out to be in the future is going to be very interesting to see. So that was all for today. I hope you understood. and I hope you enjoyed the lecture. I would like to have your feedbacks also. So please mention your feedbacks in the comment section, and also raise any concern if you have. I'll be more than happy to take it all. Thank you.